All right, so this review is for Bluevua's tankless reverse osmosis system. This system here actually produces 500 gallons of water per day. As always with Bluevua, they have a extreme focus on the environment. You can see here that even the box that the reverse osmosis system comes in is made out of 100% recycled materials. It's great to have one of these systems because you reduce the amount of bottles that are bought, which means they don't go into landfills. And then basically you can renew yourself with all the different carbon-based filters and the osmosis membranes that are in here to give you good, clean drinking water at 8 glasses of water per day. This system comes with all of these accessories and these parts, so when you open it, make sure that you have everything that's here. If you don't have if something is missing, you can contact Bluevua directly. Their customer service is world class and they'll help you find a part that you may not have. So what we have here is the plugs for the back of the RO system. We have the valve that hooks up to your in-water line here. This is the clamp that goes on your line for the drain line that comes out of the RO system. We also have other adapters here. Now this is interesting. This is actually, it's an alarm that will shut the system off if, they call it a water leakage protector port. And so this actually plugs in to the back of the RO system here, where you can see the water leakage protector port. And so that's really nice, because if it detects water inside or outside, it'll alarm you, but it'll automatically shut the system off to protect it. You also get a clean water faucet if you want to direct the clean water from the system directly up to a faucet, and you'll have purified drinking water there. It comes with all the necessary hookups. This is a water bottle. The white tubing is for the in-water line that comes from your plumbing directly into the back of the machine. The black line is the drain line, and then the blue line is for the clean water that would feed from the system directly up to the clean water faucet. One of the interesting things about this system is when you look at it initially, you say, where are the filters? Because if you look on all sides of it, it's completely enclosed. It has a nice electronic front panel. Oh, I forgot to tell you, it has the power adapter right there. So how do you get inside of it? And this is actually kind of neat, but basically the side easily comes off of it. And what you see here is you have the different filters in here. It's a 3-stage. So you have a polypropylene activated carbon filter, a reverse osmosis membrane, and a carbon filter. The PCP filter basically removes dirt, corrosion, sediment, red worms, sand, and other physical particles to protect the back filters. The reverse osmosis membrane, it says here, removes bacterial, virus, antibiotics, and other harmful substances, heavy metal, and pesticide residues from water. Then you have a carbon filter as the 3rd stage. The PCP filter has to be replaced every year, and the RO filter has to be replaced every 2 years. And you can get these filters directly from Bluevua. Other than that, what's cool about this cover is it actually uses magnets to hold it onto the front. You see these two actually, it's what holds it together, which is really nice. Instead of it being a clip that can break, they got really good end user feedback. So this is probably something through very good product testing as to what customers need, because so many times these RO systems break because they use clips. And so this is the first one that I've seen that actually uses magnets to hold on the side, on all 4 sides here. And you can see there's magnets on 4 corners of the cover. And you can easily pop this cover off by simply laying the system down sideways and then pulling back on this, basically toward you. If you want to change out a filter, it's also really easy. You just basically pull it forward. Be careful that you don't pull too far forward, because it will raise the top of this, and then basically all you have to do is turn this, and you'll be able to, let's see if I can get this out of here. I might, oh, there we go. All right, so basically comes out, change it, put it back in, push it back down, and basically you're good to go. So as always, the thing you want to remember about these RO systems is they do have an auto shutoff valve. What that means is every 2 hours, typically these systems, if you run it for a long period of time, they will turn off automatically. The reason they do that is to actually protect the pump inside the system that forces the water through these filters, and just to maintain the life of the system. It's something that you got to deal with when you have tankless systems, right? There's more parts on it that can break versus one that's naturally powered, like a tank RO system, by just the pressure of the water being forced through the filters. So it's really, there's just different use cases for them. But I like all the products I've seen and evaluated from Bluevua. I mean, they hands down do some of the world's best product testing. You know, instructions are easy to follow, setup is an ease, and even I think the last thing I'll leave you with, price point on this, I think it's worth every penny that you would pay for a system that has really, really good end user feedback and product testing. On the where you plug the filters in, actually has pictures, so you can see this is where the power goes here. The clean water line, the white line, goes in here. This is the wastewater. The black line goes in here, and then the blue line basically goes in here for the clean water. And so they even, you know, have pictures for you, so you know what goes where. Customer service is good with Bluevua. You really will not have any issues. And like I said, if you do, they really strive to take care of their customers. Thanks again for a great product, and we'll see you soon.